Hi, this is Abby Garrett, and today we're doing an Astrian cycle test. So previous to starting the warm-up, we took the subject's heart rate, which was 86, systolic and diastolic blood pressure, which was 112/78, and her resting RPE was 6. So based on these values, we know she is safe to do this submaximal exercise test. So we're going to get the test started by bumping up her workload to about 120 watts because she's pretty fit. So we'll bring this up here. And for the duration of the test, we're going to be taking heart rate and blood pressure and RPE just to monitor where she's at. Alright, so in about 2 minutes, we're going to take your first heart rate. And we will terminate this test if the subject has any signs or symptoms, or if she requests to stop, then we will stop the test. So based on her age, we know that her submax heart rate range is 115 to 163. So the goal of this test is just to get her into that submax heart rate range. So the first heart rate that we take, we hope that she will be progressing towards that range. How are you feeling?
It's quite tough, but I'm feeling okay.
Good. And we'll give it about 20 seconds and then we'll start your first heart rate.
Okay.
Alright, and I'll just take your wrist right here. And try to keep up with the RPMs. We're trying to stay between 50 and 60 RPMs. All right. So for her first heart rate, we got 118, which shows that she is now in the submax range. So we're going to take her first blood pressure. All right, so your blood pressure was 136/78, which is what we would expect. We would expect your diastolic blood pressure to stay roughly the same and your systolic to go up. So we're going to go ahead and take your heart rate again. Take that. Oops, sorry. Okay, so your heart rate was 120. So you're still in that submax heart rate range, which is what we're looking for. And then if you can go ahead and tell me your rate of perceived exertion. All right, so you're at a 13 on the scale. Okay, so we will wait another 2 minutes and then we will take your heart rate again. If you're still in that submax range, then after we do another heart rate and blood pressure and rate of perceived exertion, then we're going to terminate the test.
Okay.
I can hold this. Okay. How are you feeling?
Good.
All right. Doing okay?
Yeah.
All right. We've got about 45 more seconds and then we'll take your heart rate again.
Okay.
All right, I'll go ahead and take your heart rate. All right. Thank you. Okay, so your heart rate was 138, which still puts you in your submax heart rate range. And we're gonna go ahead and take your blood pressure again. Thank you. All right, take that. All right, so your blood pressure was 144/78, which is again what we would expect for your systolic to increase and your diastolic to stay about the same. So if you can give me your rate of perceived exertion.
Right there.
All right. So you are a 15 on the scale. And then we'll go ahead and take your heart rate one more time. And if you're still in that submax range, we'll terminate the test.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so your heart rate increased a little bit more to 142, but you're still in that range. So we can go ahead and begin your cool downs.